screen.
Ni mail za mimi.
The big screen idorali.
Ya para.
Plasma.
And ndio noma. Ni
Guys, how are my eyes? When ndikuva matonga kuvale. Alright. Let's do it chipezola wait yani.
Ndio ni lunch.
What was not to do?
If Lina gumanga lo nda continue ngalo.
And then no done. On fade I done.
No. Black.
I already checking. I don't know if you black.
Okay, yela ntndo irin secondary efimini range ti iningari rover. Jambo iningotori rover number something. So ndoni mina
don't muzori yo gume rover ngari mini.
No, you can actually talk in a sentence, matter even though like just you have to start from that.
Imagine mtapedzanga it. It is not well. Well is good.
My soul.
Hey. Mara eno ndike blind eno.
Mara you won't play it.
Ngorebe ibe ndo phala.
No, never.
Wa na manyata mana vetiri bathu. Maginya khadisa Michael.
Inanga.
Awini washaba mini maziko.
Ari rolle chipinga.
Hi guys, nimi ndikufuna mataji kuvala. Mana mena go lie. What's the time? Okay. Anyways, guys, welcome again to the Blackout Diaries
episode
29. No, 28.
Really? Recorded.
It's cool. We are quick. Episode. So yeah, we're still coming at you live from Panda Studios. If you wanna contact them, if you wanna do anything, but it doesn't mean. What do you guys do besides why does videography? Okay, professional.
It's not video live streaming.
Live streaming.
Just you know, Robert. Not in a book when I show them to only so actually over those stream. Like think about it.
Just the same way you never talk on a Kumro MTG. Like
Kumro DVD
wanga Panda nani. So yeah, it makes sense.
It's that easy.
So yeah, guys. Oh no, shuta na malima. What campaign na that time? How wait I mean?
So yes, Radical Shooter. It was a dialogue whereby you had the political parties, almost all of them. So yeah, we're doing it with Vet School of Governance.
The phone man Vet School of Governance. Somebody is a proper thing. Vet.
Anyone with that, but it doesn't do this already. Don't you lead that? Was a prefect or something? Prefect is mini.
I remember the last week. Remember last week or not into.
No, you're not prefect varsity, man.
Honey.
I don't know what you class in a dual weekend. No, voted runs at the
class rep. Yeah, every class is a class rep.
Which was very weird. I don't know what was and I'm like, what are you guys doing? What is this?
Wait, not the choose anyone they just appointed you. How on the second day? How did they know?
Today being over these rare four. Say a girl and a guy, Then I don't know how. And then
wait, there's two.
I'm
gonna oh, not
cool. And all I'm gonna answer. Didn't rush to complete opposites. He was too quiet. Hey.
And then you this other time, I think it was last week. No, 2 weeks back. This other guy, all over and out here UL. I think she was doing a final year in medicine.
UL, not medicine.
Yeah, wrong. She on. So hey, cause Akomu reach for that reason. So I'm like, guys, when to better ambisa to a point na ambisa na kona nifunga ninga stedo wana zuitafuti. Like what? And
but what of nisa jungwebo, hey?
And then the guy adoba the boraya food.
Nalukuza na mungu anongana msa wakwamba something about ungoro richa na mutu wa mbiri ya wemini and I'm just like, I don't think I'd ever laugh. Okay, it's okay for you guys. But even the mtu kandiri ne atu wana gato bero fema. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that insane? or maybe I am weird because ndikundibona not then uyangopindura zvoburi beyo nifuna watu vavenga muya nambiru ne
I'm on the obsession, not
tedzo ndini there
what's our love, the obsession.
ngori ndingasiri ndikobhairo chira asiwo and I'm just like at some point you didn't know this person so
Exactly. So I'm like,
yes zvayavava marai
and I don't know faces, but it's
Zvinodharisa,
diversity. Uri, hey, obura mumwe, mufare.
ukupfunga ropedza ngorovona ndikuposta
Chira man, welcome.
kandishuta mwana ropedza wana vari kwamba ngaini okay ridohamba mwari randirifoti
Hey, what does fellow Duma?
rofero duma bye I'll call you
Yeah, so that's I was still saying, hey, this was not that at the university. Was it last year or year before? Come of him to Panga beginning. I did of Vanantu. I'm like you.
chipinga chokutukuganya mutu nichimumbanga begini
Besides chipping, I ain't audacity or sweeter. Chipping go cheap for chat.
imagine governor mtu na mtu warova mara I still need to chop this person up
And then what is the panga room mara the fear to that point.
dzingafira rambo na mutu
I'm all just joint upon. Come on,
rochicherera mutu na mutumbu
exactly.
Mara guys the way inenapfa all these things zvinoita afi mutu ouraya mutu amuitani don't you think the minute you kill someone there's a wave of darkness that just overwhelms your mind, your spirit navanisini mune because it doesn't make sense zvilo zvakuma and zvimwe zvaitwa nanga vatu vanene chivasadzana vanikubundo this person is very innocent do you think vatozvikona guys uchaya mutu no I feel like the minute nichiuraya mutu mumbulo wanu au shumi
nelo cheswa khunu tofoso mane kutotata ichikotumori ne ebo abe kuchina thi
damn
ini yakona
but this is not about me
exactly it's not like ini yakona no the thing problem kuiwa ikuchina na mimi so I'm like yatorichedza
ini zvono ningoropa kungure yako jaiva that's it is that what you're saying is that your reason yozakona chako
guys as I still say
chishushuru nakotamba nadzo growing up what do you mean yapo chako
because ine bushishuru chako aona zvoko auna kushishuru oh dziona ngwe mdini dza brown black is brown yeah so if you want to contact them their number is 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com so yeah guys call them unama so far different kala yellow I mean at least just black causes for us so yeah unazi podcast nezanga za dia yellow couch it would be so nice ti abana na podcast here Venda nofi the yellow couch
maybe if it's like a different segment not like podcasting like us maybe when I focus on music and I focus on me uchikaitla chichiita zva music
chipi
why vachiita zva reaction
oh god reaction oh hone what does a podcast oh interview was Slender Girl warambanga last week yeah so interview Slender Girl I've seen an episode of her na ingwa tinofi and yellow and it rather make sense okuita ka yellow what so yeah anyways guys
then ibuke guys
then ibuke jobeke if niyatevera vatu Venda kavanya uchitangeno no I don't think they do mara situ tusitiyatsa zvino
na kamera najena kasituti kamera noipanga pala pasi inenga dzingafara
no uti ukodavala ngeno
ndikuri dzingafara kope inodzipanga pala pasi
yeah
itwena vamwe mikeguru nga mistake vajebegeri na equipment ini GA yavo isowana anaroko hutuwe kamera
ntsuyo yarufuna
chinori ndimini
chinoro baji oh chifi chindori achifi chindori chifi chindori kezvo chifi chindori
iyefunonkanedza ndisina energy yanu
it's fine man oh before chishuta rarikola ti inonokumedza ngazviliwa that's what sinyagula that's why mshimoni tumuinga mini ngoliwa akonotomoshumi uliwa vatu vonoshuma vononeta antu so let's welcome I want us to compare Pedros na Nandos because at least now Pedros ioneta vanhu so people can relate to it okay nazva so I was thinking of the price tange petu or it actually Does it make sense or it doesn't make sense? Or cool. Okay, Pedros is very cheap. Nandos is expensive. I mean, and Pedros is a new brand. In now, it's called the builder. I mean, often I want to set price to that point. In Abes no,
but isn't it too soon for what going to say?
Okay, maybe record Pedros in far no. You see, Petonanga what the Ben. I mean, I think it's been there for quite some time. I mean, how much mtumbuita up again Nandos chambra no mutoko magaro Nandos.
Yeah, I think
2 minutes.
180.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5.
Panda 210.
210. Into Nandos 80 shit na mean. So don't you
Nandos
do you feel like it's go with ila Nandos Anthony ya Tabani?
No, tomorrow not ofuna Nandos. Ina watu bayo. I think.
I know a guy, yeah.
Who's that?
SKA.
Oh.
Mariba is not sauce. As what was the sauce?
The river dry. That's nice.
Savannah dry. Like, yeah, so not when you're off Nandos. Mara, I was thinking to myself, Uri, Pedrosi, so cool, but the China can mean.
I think kuyo ine marabe aiduri guys.
I know. Mara.
Hotobori rume ane halavu tika brand. Nandos itobori kuti yoduranga brand.
Mara, now there's this competition in okay, Rudo compare na Abraham. I'm gonna compare with the Abraham T. Nandos actually about that T. For us actually na 30% out of Abraham T. Norangari 70% out of Abraham via Pedros. And then 20% ya KFC na chicken licken. The other 10 comes here done Nandos. See? So now we will customer to Pedros because whatever they have to offer, Pedros inazo at a cheaper price. So then
like everything basically.
Yeah. Menu do know all the things of the wood.
Yeah.
Now hot pot. One if you mean strips and rice.
Strips and rice.
So I'm like branding finger. I feel like ubana branding so as the good disauri. Chunga anyone go overcharge customers you're already used to.
That's true.
Exactly. Because for me, had them to okay, the clothing brand or quality, I mean, all these things. Quality now, I mean. But if you are selling this to me like 250 or 300, Gucci is selling it to me like 6,000. Don't wanna see my orange. Even ghost, keep 6,000. Chaguchi.
Obana chilipi.
9%.
Oba chilipi.
Chilipi as you go. So try me.
So why even go on going?
No, I did that. The one I could beg you.
It's what?
It's no more maringa. They were counterfeit.
Oh, it's no so normal as it is.
She's counterfeit. Then it's fake. Yeah, it's counterfeit. Come on, dude. Just say it's fake.
Nina drama way.
They want to check my take. I should go chimbira. This is counterfeit.
Counterfeit. Counterfeit.
You know, we want to say, hey, no.
Asongori buzanga counterfeit about we muno okurenge zvi croc wana bies. Odo we. Ako searchera zviko badeliwa. Mutu odo we. How but popo andaranda wana perembera via chinchi. Not a we not. Na rangana zi gibits na ingedzera na zi gibits not a we.
Ala dura.
Ala dura ndi. Ala ndi 110 adura.
Elo ranga 50 randa. Nkuna krala. So good, but that's figure checho.
The counter mini, eh? Iba iko rego ake bdilo ro we ako rosetero ro bzala mango. Apaka podcast kwenye ko bzala counterfeit. Drama.
What you want to kwamala?
Ndiko seya.
Ndiko retresa.
Counterfeit iboniwa nda.
There's a my AIDS last week where mtarina AIDS usokopumula sokotomo the defender chinga chipingo uri hai why coffee for AIDS mini marobono achifo kakea guy
nalanga ndingatompa azongoyana kan azongoscan atoliambara zvipfuro ambara walipa jinsa mrenje.
Let me see.
Walipa jinsa mrenje.
Oh nice. Let me Dunker
Jordan.
Oh nice. No one guy
2.56.
Wait, no one need 2.6 your resort. I know a guy. All our code.
I know a guy who can give it to you for a cheaper price.
No,
I know a guy.
I'm not trying to say that. All I'm trying to say is, I know a guy, I know all our court ordered. We tell us why kazi rough, kazi feel full. kazi rafu asvika adzijiya ti vela zofi ngoita rafu najenango then renga kana aimporta tidhi akuzi kuita ma 5 point mini.
Yeah, that's what they do.
I'm like, come on, dude. That's a lot. Ningasi visit from 2.5 to like 7K. Sorry,
people still buy.
Cause yeah, it's the cult nazo.
Hey, so bruh.
Don't that cult nas diba Venda. None come back ya Snap Sundays. But it's a cult also.
Yeah.
What makes you say that?
Because when I'm following yabo ini ningasi budze chitu ningasi muthu onofuna ya Snap Sunday ningasi yeshikena mubudza chitu apa chitu. Like if they are going period. And auna weather, auna rukorota nokupisa, auna ri ticket upi dzoba sold out. Abizwa kuti ticket za Snap Sunday ndi run. Chazo 50 rand atidisela out. I'm sure vanga chibvisa mbiri ezlosho.
Yeah, obviously.
The 60. Kids still buy. Like they buy, they plan ahead. Like they plan for Snap Sunday. And it's an every month thing. Runina ngafunga excitement ingaperera. But yo,
you see remember the thing, Fimi, ela rambanga ya Jizik. Urango cha perform. Apparently the sound was trash, literally. Like sound you need to be nice. So it makes sense why Jizik uranga cha kono release.
Yeah.
So after that, to see ori ela ya Youth Day edition, it was still pegged in a mini. So it really shows ori ela ntundi cult.
It's really a cult.
Zimwe cult ndisho zina bilva kazo ori nidzione Venda.
Chinara ndo imasi into. None batu ba gooseba. Apena zvino izvo zvori album yete mina bako generate kabe.
Azavukuma.
Bako utecheresa.
Hawo no apart zotaka zakhayo.
Yeah. Hajaivwe nayo part page. Izvo zvori imwe part ini abakuita zvaviwe. Like they are so focused.
Do you think if mini event here last year?
Acoustics.
Acoustics in the cult.
Yoba. Mara last year you that, eh?
You went up cult, is it?
Yeah, last year you went up cult.
What's a cult? Let's define a cult.
Counterfeit.
You want like change.
So
you can see the bad in it, but then
would you say EFF is a cult to me?
Yeah.
No.
EFF to him.
Oh yeah.
To him it is.
I don't think my limo kaka. Have you ever seen my limo kaka in it?
Akaki.
Exactly, the country. So yeah, what else was it? Oh, which other thing in the Africa in the cult? Kelvin Momo. We are called. We are compared Kelvin Momo na nyikana. Hafi, hola muzika. I'll make it sense kwa watu. But there are people who are busy hyping up 30 minutes into album over. Mutuko ni hypera nyimbo zote. Like
you don't have big artists like you, Drake. Ngathiro vatururu ya matom.
Like what? Ndine kamizo. What? Yo.
No first stay the same page.
Ela yako do romo mga.
Have stay same ligro mini.
I mean, ndikofuna ndo yangu.
Ndikumbura chief charge.
Nana ndo yangu.
Nana ndo yangu uri kufima.
But I read it word for word.
Eh.
Like the whole thing. And then no that now here shita music video. Ufimi mizori min. Angocha kono chitwa budget. Marshall Nation.
How's the budget you shoot a music video rimbo ripya?
No, tilda no ruko shoot music video. Wow, ura ronto. Romchato na mini.
Nendo ruko shoot music video.
Kinoro nyango baka music video.
Zvino nende chipopangiwa.
Ine chimbuza ori mini.
Atikumbudzisa.
I thought maybe you.
Haya, ndandikuzwamba nezvozvo.
Ningasi jena ka music video.
Oh.
Why?
Ndadisola after 10 years.
No, this what I mean.
Chitonga 3. Internet ayangwi.
Wait, speaking of music video, what do you think of the music videos of Venda? Like now, all of a sudden, I know go say me. Chambo rubini yapenga note. Ndomuda.
Chiko pengiwa.
What do you think of the music videos? And because all of a sudden, also go another this other wave. Ngamu kusuchita music video, and you know.
Comes Ibo Fareya, or maybe people have found a cheaper way of doing it. Back then, I think that was a 4D, so everyone has a camera now.
Oh yeah, none of camera, guys.
You see?
Marangasi music video. So yeah.
Oh, ni Venda ni ashuta.
You know what I mean?
Ni Venda ni ajani la thala tavan molo na tu analo. Haya ashuta music video na liwisa. Na lidropa.
But you're na lidropa.
La editor la ni sendera machero. Machero, chiko romba machero.
So not kumbula ti. Till last time we spoke of Blackout, hey, the radio, mini, Rokamela Venda, independence, mini. So I've always said this idea. What if I'm multi-choice? Guys, I have this other idea. I want to have
And the channel.
Venda TV. You're right. I want to do everything Venda, strictly Venda.
Lesotho TV, Botswana
Hey,
TV.
you listen to the How TV,
How TV,
all those things. It's gonna segment comes ya podcast pala blackout ya the American Towers kwayo ada vadzi radio okay not vadzi radio music ava back to back
music
versus ufini Metro CMG so anela mauti
that
like
would be nice
for real man but was nichi jena kantu nga 6 nangosona story cha Venda cho producer Venda maginyane no yana shita movie and we spoke about it abena like episode mean maginyane that episode mean
episode 4 I think
oh shita movie angochabva already what the rights na mean fair school web
mara ora
achi divi
ora damn
would you shoot the music videos of Venda now that rukamba ngazo
yes I would
nyango
why
shoot
sawani muti am sponsor
arwani mti mutu ni sponsor
muti wa cult
okay muti wa cult
JR kana rach JR ende JR na music video
unayo ushitwanga KD films
what do you
una maramba there's multiple here and there anene yabo fistosi ane avana kana ndintu yeah mara arwani guys rikodo
kana kaita mahuwa
ti dobusa deji uri maholo no shootwa okay let me call this guy
for
for
yangu vita music video
asiwane chele donanti
mupanga
yuko jena blackout yote irona beni renge the hoodie guys there's hoodies now ngosubona msoro jela nziko bonala
vanohamba
ofi oh nice habe ufinyi deji
rinanzi hoodie guys
nazvikipa
mara vatuna varengisira vangarenga nezvidiva
you think so because I was
let's
just
try if okay let's do it like this no you're we're going to put a poll
let's call him
if you want it
if you
place
want
an order
would you guys buy a hoodie though
and mara risingoita price asikuti yodhura though
hey deji right varman vonoshuta music video wanto wa mahua vonotomiwa ndikoitisa soti ndikonyangova naimwe wati idangerous bad ngadzi visuals ti vone vakoda navatu vavo voimba namini ringa uchitera Venda kana nyanga chikwanivo bebe ndikari nogumbodhangapo blind yauti yaona idangerous nonoivona fimini podcast ya blackout lately uri kuita mini nachivona chikipa chano chenando chambara 2 weeks back enge uri chachiyani chamahuwa zvezvi ene lautela iri kunyango tomo tantu ubranch off to music videos so ari kuchita mahuwa rivono ri ringaitisa chache doni bade chaira rine kana ini disani nafara
rive chanda nguvona
disani nafara doni ambela nayo ine novara bugai should next week it's fine we can do it rina rina pro arinyago disadvantage ya mtu customer client kaita kare
client yamara
jambo ri kuita ntu ngodana chimwe na chimwe kana mini
no it's fine ari something we can just create a group redena na idea
aitwa group zva zvipetu antu anaita group ya ntuni the ben ini masiko
ziona kuti noti
yo the ben usichaiwa petu group iyi failisa zvitu
kana rita pick
no but I'm not going for idea mwana okay it's fine kilo kwa financial ugot amini na amini nena ndo divora ndo dita MK1 irinde kamba na wala kana bajere nda pori pakawa free ni director de iti nana nendo kawandi free
hauna stress ambori ne karambe zvote ri for ri kuitisa nga music video la rito ro smedza Venda ri ningaita quality ya dangerous rinyagire na makuwa nyana
jele thala livuga
Okay. How sharp. Run resort na aba. Eh? Ndi live dandi na mi abana banu.
Live.
Hey, re live on the podcast. Sorry arungwamba. How sharp. Era ni rdro etime shasho. Era ni rdamba.
yeah bana ngomba yini
Mkona. Baby, azami abana wadejene. Ini wanu kokwata.
andokwata
Namburi na history kan. Yeah, so ntu. Ashana madi. Oh.
ulivo madi
Nani kwamburi. Uri like yeah, how should music video? Let's have that industry to do with Venda. Not already Venda.
auitiwe yanga ngomu though nikuivona edzila dzine the studio yava ichitova probably with color and whatever kuivona yo ntonga
Abendi mahala ngomuna.
Eh?
Ngoma ila inonga
no
kala.
ndikambori uvenga ngomu purise zvori yanda ine ava kusiko chimbirwa that's all that's what Venda people usually do iwa guy achimbirwa guy aitiwa nga ngomu with lights mara no I think una music video yakuzba ineyo itiwa something like that where it's got lights he's in a car it looks like the car is moving and yeah I think I saw them shoot it I just don't know real bana
It's fine guys, if you feel like makholo ngasite suggestion na pfanga lukhwine wewe.
rune rakoti yo winner
Not
a
Rama
free
Kanzi.
music video
Yeah, roto dia free music
Rama
video.
Kanzi why not because she can afford it
Una suzwa enough for la. Yeah, so yeah, that's just it, man. And then also now you're going to put about this other girl, the most expensive bride currently.
bride
Bride ni mfu magazi. Hey, bride. Ubindu bride nganu ndomba so sizone so.
Zolo ndichuwa typical Venda
So ufinya Athiak Dau Riak watwaji. She's 18 years old,
hold
18. Probably 19 because no one video mbili. The other one was saying 18, the other said 19. So she's between the two. Maroka the teenage. Let's just say that. So she's 7 foot tall. Something that to wear for blind because Renera 5 what. Yeah, over South Sudan. So she was actually there were actually two men competing for her to marry her.
they loved her both what were kumdoda
And it was a competition and negotiation. That's what the family knows urukonya gwangabatu. So the negotiations zikuitea for a month to actually know urinimpiana the fit. So at that moment here video tumeenda iwona there were still like 400 cows. Zineza konya gomara 400 times 10,000 ndivga 400,000 see ndivga 400 times 10,000 400 times 10,000. So when I'm trying, unyagumaranga 400,000. Oh, actually, the other guy, I have those names. 4 million. Yeah, 4 million. If Koromut Zapana, South Africa. And then, so 2 men are competing for her. The first guy is Chol Marol. The other one is called Mari Al Garang. See? Mautanga ninge, in obvious near the Mazina so. Brian ngaya kusori awaphandwa vudi man Nara taya nimfaneti nyago jenso susang kwami afa yitu dinonyaga babanda atinga wini
zvikubvaga
naro dichinya CV fano akani oto mbanda
azvinochinya zvonthusa
yeah so these are the guys too so watoma tambo ori guy mara we wavili ori udoita 350 kolomza 350 so 3.5 million na Toyota V6 apatera family wala kali 4 bedroom house I mean so like okay the whole thing kwete
you better bet
yeah like nimjolo mibecho zwakumbula don't you think mara mjolo nimbecho it's like actually ne okay
iwaiska bet way
inini wa mfumakazi ti so you are the betting place ne for munna ndikozo koza mopanga ngathuku uri ndiwona uri cherede inembora man inembora ukuma so like yeah jamu ndizvo ndi better bets akuma like na lobola negotiation wakutobechiwa uri anero fara 30 wena ari kunyaga 40 okay rina 32 nari 39 veo ruri vasikusukuitwa usikarichesvika ka midpoint ratenderana
rarengisiwa shanzi wafumakadzini
yeah that's the thing ndivichironi so wapedza winwa ngafinyi chol maro after a month of negotiation and apparently I said I will be the highest
zvinowinisana
I don't know uri ningo tovaita research ava zvavudzinodzodzora ndari ilachitowinanga meaning
kamutsamudzana akutofuneni timbiru itisa zvimwevo
but I don't think zvinapeta kuviyajana nadzimbiru if umbiru then adowamba from the get go this is the one that I want
usvikani vatu vararikuenga nemara vote
and then kazi comment people were busy saying why is a strive for education achezva mijolo na mini
chikuchena gaizvo
vatu South African have vati panofunga mwamuwana opinion kachimwe kachamuwana mumwe
okay afocusa kazvechikoro achipedza and then what
aunalamauti asicheo
asiwane mushumo unopedza yopera 3.5 million na apo mutabi yani manangoraro zviyamburi noni thogomera is going to take care of you
exactly so opedza marwanga nah
depending on what happens when you go in there.
Most of the people with money, they feel like they own you because they
what do you think of that? Do you think people with money actually
valid
marry people to use them? Ene aseya abe nona munna abodo
arina cherede
ende maginyo na cherede ntungapa
ona mabone tabone chichitu
na dzimbondo dzofunga
na dzimbondo
mbondo dza Jericho
mbondo
so kuma like
na dzimike
zvakuma mike une wambana muzungei
miko namba kule
mfadhanu anifivewe
na kamera dzorisa dzao njinji
taru ini zode rikodhivona kazo
rikodhivona
so like yeah what do you think it actually happens uri vatu vatomara just to use someone?
I think zvaiteya mara it's not all the time una vangu vanotomaranga love you know havana vonomara ngori vakotodova in charge of which
what
don't
do
you think like vakunywa ne control not necessarily in control but don't you think ngamulayo a man is still supposed to be the head of the house so still munhu not only control but somehow
there's a
he
head
makes
and there's controlling.
yeah there's the head and there's controlling.
I can tell you what not to do ti nazviita ndazviricha mina I was the head I told you what to do maronela zvindazvonzori nitozviita wapfa nitozviita sketch
no livona lele video lasi lele napela mzwa wachimbira shushini afi the abusive boyfriend yanu iwonitevera club marela trend ya abusive boyfriend then ndikuifuna
why
because
it was showing you reality ti
zvazvikusumbedzana vane vavakadzo mara havazvipfi you know kana apfi ndi abusive boyfriend yanosiya joke yamwe munhu nake Brian zvino naini mdeni yako unosumbura muthu ovuya aita so ingoswana now I feel like it was helping mara also that just shows how much of a fucked up generation we are and then we don't take anything serious.
Yeah, I feel like
chimwe na chimwe ndi joke.
Remember Kola we're talking about the coping mechanisms uri vanga vanohara some take drugs some society and then zvinonekamba so now they just feel like at least naita shows are fun about something which is serious you get to cope okay at least ndakonosiya vongazo na mimi.
What's your coping mechanism?
Ne
to things like your mental basically to your mental health.
I think stand-up comedy. That's what I do. Bo music veo. Na
yeah, ndono zvibono nyabunyara.
Atigori ndabunyara ndonyerisa ngabathu. Alabo bed mamuno. Parodina dzevu Macbeth and overdo this wine ini.
Ubuchirisa zvimwe volumwe.
You know bakulu ntu Macbeth. Iweta na grape dzantu za green.
Ikardisele.
Takumu like na
coping mechanism yanono rindi stand up.
So
naruwanga stress hu Friday ngamandekwana nikuvhura stand up
andiyarenga wine
chambori coping mechanism yanu ndi haro
asi wine atigori kotamo ndingarenga wine anikori
what is your coping mechanism
ndari ndi stand up that's
no stand up
okay yanu ndi mini
ndi haro
no but then iningozama ngandreni utongare hatofe hobby fazwi ngona assignments wechimbira ndinwe haro nya na tuvane okay I find ya for make sense because niambona mtu agovara abva achiuya nano chivotoma mukantu chipaza and then anozvinoita ape into changodaira nepo otovuya naro utonga udodiri nanyini perfume yanuka
fora
mtu ari perfume yanuka safora ndori mini
na ini unoiwana fi ni unoiwana gere
andiko ndizvine watu vadoshumisa sarizinyori nane ndikojana nafora asi fora ndi perfume so I'm just like stand up ningadivona wine ndiyavudi why usashumisi wine yavukuma kirikini have you ever thought of that
luthere ushumisa wine yavukuma
an actual wine
yeah for chirarero yep lifi mini not Monis, Montana something lela valili hulu kado fact check
Monis
not Monis auna wani yofi Montana auna mtu ene adi mtu nje luthere ushuma wine ya
nene oh
hey zashuku it was a grape ties I think also ngori ndivanje ngene bona wine ya watu 1000 Montana ndili hulu kari ndibona chitnepe utonga ushumeli
emergency WC watu pate vokambiwa ngachirarero
mara chinga kambi cha kuntu kutuko kushoto.
Do you think the wine
and a luthere aushumi is like a cup vakadita the old way where it's like
the
a jar and then you're like ba wipe na wipe
lazunanga zaka Mr Bones zofi apira
ndobienda rivopfera kandi rivonwa
ndikotamba. Do you think the wine yako shuma building layer for your baka madi ya wine it was alcoholic and just none
why chingaba wine but the boy imadi already you basically alcoholic why wachinga ichenja ya ka wine isina chitu
is the verse that's against alcohol
are one arza musaivala guys
actions so vatikaonwe vedhere problem yenyagonwa na coffee no anasikana dwana yagonwa coffee futi
nichibva coffee nemangu chimbira nikounwa
yeah.
futi nichisvika ndoni natodonwa futi the actions the fornication yeah the problem is the fornication
controlling fornication inoita ntu nino haro
mara why vatu vachinova kunyangoita zvithu zvobvawo mara
doesn't make sense
what if haro avunantu over your flesh what if ushitwana Viagra
did anyone who uses Viagra I don't think that's yashuma zakuma mara
I feel like just why vatu vachiziva kushumisa mara ne content yanga ndivasva vonoishumisa ngori zviyambori ndisa nchisvika 16 ndanondobva
kazvine post like that
ndova nichaita ngori
such pills
nikoti we thought that later pills ini you need it now then that means zviyambori watosaidwa ngoma 10 years oyo mtu gaming ubvapo ndisvigiria lifetime ngori kauna
okay here's the thing I feel like we should talk about this also ori ngona Viagra people say a guy uboishumisa arwani abakhonya ukuprove a point philosophy nendi blind imbeteni I mean do you think that's why people do it kana wasoko for philosophy because it is status or unaphungo la mthanga
ushaphunga 2 minutes and ya mtu mushaibura lumwe ngori zvaite nasi adobana mono ni prove lule ne utwana ne zvilani bona solola utuski auchena chance
kumati something like
utotwa achini bona umbodi kweta vangana vao ndo enzena mgener ene nando kambiwa
so like yeah so I'm post on mtu karakamuri when ngishimisa Viagra nje batuko so nichihula udoite ami reason you ishimisa jamuri is to prove a point
yeah it is and I think that's one thing you guys don't know like the time you spend has nothing to do with how good you are or whatever
Maginya definitely
it's not about time not about time
nyaka mike ene
zvifana navapiwa vatu
mpo arikapampo mike ndo fama Maginya definitely
auna zvinakota mwamba kanomwara ri muvalere
kawarima asobachichowa rova
zvitonga vala vatu vonodadza question paper mbiri vawana 30
lavokuma
aimsachataumbera otarera havana newa handwriting ya Venda wana 90 another answer chinomusedza
inanozvika halfway
achita nangadzi highlighter umntu una pencil case Nandoshimza phela yamtumbu ine yokwashaya nganta isina chithu. You get what I'm saying? So
guys, I feel like what when you know Zamba and I feel like this all.
The hela essay is namapungo ine kuskoba na hence whatever niko zamurira afe but you're not doing anything.
Speaking of that, when I went to your fumini ingoti ichikamba. I think these are the got talent mini. I come of the introduce. I don't mean kana it's my wife's father-in-law. Then you continue on. Then you judge say wait. Your wife's father-in-law is your father. Laria.
This shit why not?
Why not? Jiga. So I don't 3,000 words are near too much so henceforth. So yeah, hey.
And my wife's first child.
Guys, go away with these things,
me.
There's no point to prove. That's na corner.
Hey, marabadzana riasola zvone be careful.
No, we're not going to out kana.
Ari veri kurwasola marara una zvete uri kutozviamba. Ni ndodzona umapo achichita. Nero raiwa kana rote, nero kakarwa.
Uno raiwa kana nini?
Ne, ndiamba. Ritohamba. Okay, mara if anything happens, itongela video voice that yami andani.
Live here. Anyway, live here now. Nifi, ndio tumeza video. Hapo itamini. Ayo. Kama unavuziwa. Hapo itamini.
Nano rimia nani.
Nifi. Nani divela rote. Oh good.
So it's two women having a conversation. I want to explain the experience she had with someone. So now rimia nani. Maria chibiniko.
Where you go? Oh, I didn't anymore. I can analyze this is a phone. Balance ni mimi andani.
It's a voice note.
It's blind in there. I've seen his videos. What did you say? I TikTok is blind. TikTok is big.
So women are gonna talk about it, like, and if you've done it, na mutu unavangana. They know. They just won't say it, but they know.
I'm going to the movement. So, age, man, it's okay. So, these are the times when speaking of TikTok, let's come. Let's scroll through TikTok. Like, so far, what's up? Boring. Let me go to TikTok. But when that's prep and so I saw this other thing. The most evil companies in the world. And then you can do this one. I was like, the best one in your Tom. Your companies that produce the non-stick pen.
Oh.
I'm sure you use that also.
Do I? Yeah.
Don't you? Do you think there's anyone who doesn't use non-stick anymore?
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Venda, I feel like the stainless, which is the best apparently to use. Narinya stainless. Me kumba be breakfast in bedding to dia kumba lengas de loswa. Kana la umena kapani na mimi.
And the quantity adura bunga moera liti na sanata kuana liti.
So yeah. So apparently it's like iroda kind of kana so one is over. And nashi go to my road and don't know man.
Who will listen makumbana my
breakfast in Nana breakfast in
Namayanga.
Yeah,
the bangers and the mushrooms.
You don't want steak,
okay,
and then check TikTok. I have the cook with what.
Not marauch and amutananga chituchis in stick.
Exactly.
Like it
so
doesn't make sense.
Yeah, that is so she so produce land to affect your system.
Really, which makes sense because as a team, it is some sort of plastic, just a different type of plastic.
Don't do coat wow.
Damn.
I was like, damn, I'm going to because I'm not gonna stop using that thing. enangalibheka kuma stainless. Doro libheka
Does Gino
the stainless.
proper?
Hey, Hati. Hoi, Hati never.
Ele ngufisela na grave.
Asabukuma. Ela zvina I disappointed.
Umdoda anepo zvisho zvisedza. Atimudzise nene afela kofi. Abeto hoiti yami. Awuthi ngabuthi pumpkin bo mandabula. Zvisho ni nepo sono zidaso.
So these companies know uri hezvo zviaffecta vanhu. And vachiudzwa vo hana mimini and then vasuwiwa 1.2 billion that they have to settle now. 1.2 billion. So that's the thing. I'm sorry. I feel say a company equal affect us. No matter about this, equal suwa 3 billion. 3 billion you can get the current customer. Because we are the ones that we are gonna die. Let the ones ear guy like it.
Mara, it doesn't make sense.
Like okay, you guys can die. Mara do sarchi farchi daviyo.
Tell me about it.
Today she must say ref.
Paloni.
Remember na ref na roba. Yeah, you wanna change it.
Tomorrow kaveni le paloni ka 2018 ndi robe.
How did
Ele
it?
ngorata. No. Emna ningairata ini peke Asian University. Rese. I was not gonna do that.
And then they are
Ndo dibudzore okay ndo lanti.
Ndio barufunga ndira inende ngarata.
Not ngorata national china paloni. I did not. I ate everything.
It's fun with the chibi apalo no tumo bia chicken. Then I'm like, okay, we're going to
Nazo we understand la chadibe so.
And
Achaifuna paloni. I'm so over it.
then the second company, the Kellogg's, the one that does cereals.
Really? Oh, because they have a lot. It's not just cornflakes, They have a lot.
Which I think even cornflakes could be part of it. So if it affect sex drive banda. Maybe Viagra is now making sense.
Mononola cornflakes doesn't perform well. How you have better rate which you complex? That's smart.
Hey, if you affect an menstrual what of Makaz.
Mara jamuri do dito wana na bana basani ngoti bono na munno no nanga vuala complex. Ningela complex ina babalazini. Ngato tanza.
Then they are reflex.
Ha, you don't want something sweet. Ngo
No, they want no, tine ndi vanhu kwenti. Nikusendi kwa chikoloni. Nyakuto ndola ndabienda konola. So I'm like, I'm not a cornflakes. So they're like,
Mara neka afumagadza zviti chito
no, if it affect something about your womb or
The same thing for so if you
Zombonga madzina one zvone if it affect mina. I was like, these people have been trying to depopulate.
Speaking of the womb, that's what the electric blanket does as well. Apparently it's bad for women.
Avonde ndifuna priya. Tinamsuna tinyagi pepe one tinyagi neta zazithara. Affect, pisa susu zone.
Okay, speaking of that.
What was that mean?
Uvive ko braya makumba anu no edeni.
Anu.
Like zoni muzana
apparently na makumba.
Eish bona niwe. Tomba nayo.
Oh, Nonka, why? Wait, Mara. Okay, here's the thing, see. Okay, chat the car with. How about the Nestle mini Rama de Mashika? Nestle ne ya ndia mi that's coffee, that's chocolate. Yeah, so.
There's a lot.
So, thinking of this, I was like, there's never a point in it. There's always a bad thing about something. Like, Jamori.
Sama tap tap why not Panda eat a mock. So nafunga eat zamanu kondera pepo.
Like,
do you want to chingwa mara, eh?
Do you want to affect it? Not
because nothing is perfect.
Coffee. Could drink Coke to specific. Not a phone and mother oh, you never has a mini acid is too much.
Too much. Not too much water is not
exactly good. I was about to go there or okay, let me drink water. And then it's also
veggies
something bad
as well. Everything China Chita says it's not good. And
people don't understand it's a recorder because too much of something is bad.
People are addicted to you, eh?
Which is bad. The cult. Do you think black cult is a cult? Let's start there.
Aye, not yet. We're not there yet. We're not there yet.
Venda, at home. I'm on the cult. I'm oh, Nandos. Namia pa. The cult is a manese. Namia papi wa bona bad.
Really?
Oh, she's a
Nani
big
makuru
fan.
ngaba vamukiguru vamburi vambodipesha zona vambodinitsengisa
Nami angava
umfonero uri mini ngori ndonoamba ende zvopira
ngevonela ya livo klacha only fence. So I didn't
Tell
every time me anga mudindi pasende link ichibva ya livo. I'm like I tinga babudzi but I did tell her about it or this was a paper no good. I mean so zvinji urini
kudorari yechikoroni
so like there's always something like where them two times of bed and it is good at the opposite part of it.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so you're like, no good or something. I was like, oh yeah, this was send a link. Then at the next video, well, I'm going to send the ins and send the lemra. I didn't subscribe. I'm like, so I'm like, hey, yes.
Mara, it was worth it. Like, what good or something.
Yeah, a lot. Not customers one. She did tell me uri unatfanya kuti wavona uri wako dangantu. So I'm like, okay, zamburi.
Nemara ndiva ndikuifunesa ndiva ndikufuna uri like young girls that would want to try. Abeninga nichikoroni yazo kufangari the life outside is better, you know. So when these kids are naming figures, ngamanisara nobona this body works for me. I love that show so much. People are hating it, but I'm like, yoni sumbedza uri they don't have the life you think you get if you go into this industry. Because US, you're going to make so much money. So just stay in school, bruh.
And then speaking of this, they're going to make what those guys are making. This other time that come and said that guy, a podcast, also I might not reveal the name now. So that come, that phone. So it's like, you know, this thing, I don't usually do podcasts. With the blind Mara, I want to do you because you've shown you're really up for this and you want to do it for the people. Mara, don't do it for the money. When I data episodes 12 for let me drop this thing. So then I was like, I've seen a lot of people when I recharge you to midway because Ched I called and then she told me, you see your YouTubers, these guys, they get so many subscribers and then after that we're on a campaign. When those campaigns pull out for some reasons, all of a sudden you guys have depression. I mean. So and then I knew YouTuber already. So why did you start the thing? Would you say you started doing it was just you having fun?
No, it was me having fun. Because like I didn't do research. I did it for fun. And I guess that's why stop on it didn't affect me because I didn't stop because I was depressed, and when I stopped it didn't make me depressed. I don't know what happened. I got busy or whatever, so I didn't think it was for the money, but it was gonna be nice if it had started making money, but it wasn't for the money.
I feel like you should continue.
I need a new phone, guys, for space and stuff and better quality.
Yeah, ring and phone with them.
I don't know any totally.
Funa
bathu vari ndorenga mateki nsongombengera una phone ya 2000
so yeah, but then
ndidorenga ndoringa
yes, I did think about it what when you are talking about these things then the risk is one is chapona na mina napfonga maybe autoneta
and there's also muthu achiri chamudvana depression. I really need people to cut it. People must stop using the depression line. It's so tiring.
But we're not depression.
I can't remember feeling insensitive, Mara and Ronet.
We've had it. Depression, she knows she's gonna get support from somewhere.
Emuna, ngachi Venda berawa na you feel like depression. If we get the right word,
which is
think about it, Mungana. Do you know that people that
not really?
Hey. Muthu studio chauamba zvinafuna ei
totama studio yawa semana
kosemi ndipopira matumba
unese vefukela kavana ziyamba
zviyapfukela
zvipa ndine maginya ri studio changano wavo ri kutipinda just jokes
hey sorry mami
zvipa mami
rariko joke jokes
Sister
Joyce. Jokes. Wapi Joyce Zoma?
Wapi? Nya wapi? Oh, Sister Eunice, Sister Eunice, she has given some.
But anyway, nandika dreaming. Nandika diambori. Already radzura pasi ratonda iphilana la Venda. Gandani ha direct translation itiori utsikeledze here itiori
Mtiko mumbulo kana.
utsiko mumbulo.
I think so.
Like, let's be honest, ranga to visa the suicide notes ravari kuvada na vatu when it comes to ava depressed. Usually it's things like my things are not moving, my life is not going the way I want it to go. So that is just you not being content at where you are, because I can't now say I'm depressed because I don't have a car. I have a place to sleep. There's someone that doesn't have a place to sleep. Why not look at what I have?
The positive parts.
They're depressed because they are not where they want to be. Compared to someone.
It's always in comparison.
And then, okay, why not compare yourself na mutu wa remurawan? Why are you fighting? Yes, it's good to dream, but you can't now not get out of bed because you don't have a degree as yet. Everything is scripted. Like, you can't now be mad because things are not going your way. Okay, for example, I'm going to make an example with myself. I might not have a lot of things. I might not have a lot of money. I have people that are doing way better around me, like way, way better. People that I can afford like super good things. But then, for example, and then I realized I've never been admitted at the hospital. And that is crazy grace. Like, I'm like, but you wouldn't look at that because I want a car, I want an apartment, I want a title deed, I want. Relax, guys. Relax. It's not that deep. It's not that deep, really. I think people need to relax. This whole depression thing,
I feel like competition is the biggest
anxiety.
thing. Competition is a problem. That's one thing I've realized.
And you would be surprised they are fighting their own demons that you don't know about.
And they don't even care. They are onto something else.
They are onto something else. Okay, I'm rich, I have all this money, but I know I'm going to die soon.
Or maybe I just have to do
I just have to do. You get it.
Like, what if hananda bana chikolo ni Sudan, you know, Africa so chikolo out of mini she could be like
whatever works for you.
So I'm like, hey guys,
whatever works for you.
I don't the competition.
Advice.
And
whatever works for you, man. Hey.
Speaking of this thing of humanity, you guys, you always say all these things now on social media. You'd never know how people get those things. Because ura wana video ya often you lam kegruant wanganga. I think Gogo's coaching. If not Gogoma Wayne, one of the two. Come back panga Noah through the private party or mutu wakweta na. And I mean Gogoma Wayne. Kesh was diva baby. So so if I go panga Noah to get money, then Gogoma Wayne was still in that lady. You will never sleep with a man anymore. From me, you can have all the money you need. If you guys are busy, like Sabaolins to Zne.
And these are the signs. Has your footage too deep? Una so simple zontonga. Ini you're just a basic girl with a 9 to 5. Ini ko drop at home, meaning your salary is not as good. And you want to compare Namutane, all she has to do is mourn to get money.
Exactly. You see?
And funny. That's funny. She just has to make a sound and she's good.
Come on,
and you wouldn't stand it. But then now it's just like, I don't know, man. Like, we really need to stop with the whole comparison. I don't know. People need to relax. The design,
I feel like it is.
Yeah?
It's social media.
In general.
Social media.
In social media, you go expose as a designer. Have you seen how people...
Social media looking for something, you're going to find what you're looking for.
Mara, that's true. No, Mara, it is true. Apart from algorithm, I mean. Bro.
Pretty.
It's sharp, like, yeah.
Baby.
No, go on a metric density tando. It's not that lavish thing, you know, that one like TikTokers, you know, one wako dia adianga golo ya hawo ya budi askati ombara rock. Mara zina rawona ngapo nini. Muntu adito danga G63 ako Pedros maguru zuka 6 una the Porsche una the zero this NIET. Then you're like, damn. Unamutu. Why was I needed is to bona ne.
Ndingamusemesa rangwananga. Asongonya gon stress. Ti? Jamburi ndochidisa kanenda chisema nenda disa changa ina chirwa. Zvasemwa zvaruiwa.
No,
No, guys, it's honestly futhi nichibozisa kama baby. I feel like it's really unfair. Like it's very unfair. By Teni, they gave you their best.
Their best. That's the thing. It's not like they're not trying.
Yes.
What do mwana ngadi mitele
Yes, baby. Why na depression don't bring a blazer? I get where they're coming from now.
Yeah.
Why na depression and a blazer? Because in their minds they're like, we didn't have what you have growing up, and we tried to give you that. But for you to still say you are unhappy, I just think people must just pray more. Praying gives you hope, guys.
Exactly.
It might not give you the job that you want, might not give you the car that you want.
A little loophole and so
Gives you a push.
This is God now.
Yeah.
No,
if I pray, after praying, you come out feeling like anything, I can do anything.
This year.
Nah. I've prayed for a lot. Not even. Don't use the excitement. I don't know how to get happy.
Bishop, what phone? No one.
And the tungomba now. Oh yeah. And it was very basic. I'm like, oh yeah, this happened.
Sorry, parents do try. I was watching this other kid drama, chief hierarchy. So it's rich families. Now scholarship obvious. But I'm gonna focus on the rich kids now. All I wanna they do whatever they want in community. But then went on and lost probably everything. But from like a mansion, I was like apartment Hillbro. Kana Yeoville. Like always in the apartment. So that's all. And then all I want actually to show not about it. So I mean Mara, the only connection she had was didn't know. My connection is me talking to you in number na kotsiano. Why did I delete kotsiang or so rich mbilo? Like all I wanna like actually what I'm telling Mrone child I mean just because Kotia was lost. But then her father was still trying to do the best for her.
For her.
From Vaka G class we are calling them basi. We are colony. Nichi such colony but we with a line wakoni class so bow down from a job sama Korea road. I was like, hey. Like parents always do their best. Ngamanda, it comes back to that thing. Remember this other time where but was gangster and I mean all those things. Like fathers do try a lot. To provide for
their kids.
Amanda for their little girls. I mean.
Daughters.
But I tell us, I'm like, okay.
Which is true.
So,
I think fathers love their daughters more than their sons. What did you think?
I feel that's the thing.
I would love my men who like guys were closer to the mothers.
My sister is closer to my father and my mother is closer to us, the sons.
Yes. Apparently it's like that.
Because it's nice. Somebody you get to witness both worlds through yourself and through the parent. Don't you think?
Valid.
Yeah, thanks. I'm going to valid work and what you really achieve. You get and then go on the fight. You know my things are always based on TikTok. Even at TikTok, in my
no one fight
between Nara Smith, all become Dagasi.
How could run
on a Zombola. So on a Zombola South Africa, Narandwa I think. South Africa, Nara. Oh.
I think I did, yes.
Don't go the jacket.
Hey, tight your mood.
From London and then her mom is from South Africa.
Oh, yeah. So, Ting was on a content Nara. We're like, oh, this better chippies over see from scratch. Babu Gamno chippies not the there. That's comment.
Big time.
I don't know. So apparently she's been copying content here, Homes Dana, was South Africa. And as we she has a big following. She has order. Like,
equipment.
She has a background.
Traditional food.
So just two Timuni, others Vita, na mine.
Like when as ingredients like let's say we are church kori we are
Ugaya mavere aita.
something that you are praising Nara
for. So Finara.
the idea like Nara was just a similar idea. You don't realize that maybe somebody has done that because Nara in measurements.
The spatula.
Mara zinondwa ndio mean.
Ndiori Nara is getting the recognition for something that she's copying from someone in South Africa.
From small content creators.
Yeah, from small. Ndela zofiri kushumisa
As
watu.
an accredited, the maphorisa thingy.
Mara ukuti mucredit uri mini uri ndobuya ndavona oyu
That was
muteveri,
my-
like I
that was
don't
my
get
chat
it
as well,
because
like-
na onoyo anokojia mavele ti ozvivona kavakeguru mara vakeguru vachuti content so ovacredita
That's the thing. Ndoto shavo
chigayoni ndikale ovhura so what is she saying? What's her chat?
Like, ukolera zvezvo, like, it has no base. Like,
Hey, you know, in almost everything that we're doing, we're just modifying
Exactly.
stuff. There's nothing.
Podcast.
Hauna chitu
Nendo wana
chiswa-
podcast zione Venda.
Hauna chitu cha brand new.
Exactly.
Every single thing. Anombona okay.
Nye,
Nombona
mwambie.
ntamba poposta chinepi chakachiwe chakare ndoambara zvera zvotora Crocs.
2017 or 13.
Ah, not the-
No
not
kwata
13.
Crocs ya blue.
As 13 zvina zvinondi primary ndodzinomba zvakakusvingi ndombara nantu akosi achiri madira Crocs zobvarini.
Mwawe chapostwa ngaya.
Ndidzo ndikuposta.
Hey, yeah, ndochiona.
Man ndikutodoita example uri ndingozvivona uri that was 2005 or
Yeah,
6
probably.
ndandoambara idzia
Crocs.
Crocs
Isatuba
zvino
hot.
kedzi dzione so you can't now say there's anything that is like new
And I
new,
don't
new.
think Crocs yo
things were just made
Yo
better
ya atata yaswika kunya kuita
zvobva
Crocs.
kamaripi yari electronic yari SMS yari iMessage yari WhatsApp yari so you shouldn't I don't get what the fight is about but anyways her feelings are
ukolera, the thing is, if you are doing something similar to me, crediting or at least ndabona someone doing this.
I feel like it's been a big
mara
thing.
ozvivona konoyo pedzina cause una hala nyadvela mavideo anobvera nga Mudau chanisa kwaedhera kafacebook
Ukupatwa pulu.
avala vatu vanobhika ngalimwe lipani lingap
Vapanga-
avala vatu they do
vabhika
similar
ngamavu.
stuff what if she saw it there
Those videos are nice.
Like just like credit munamwane amakuita something like that rather than uri in ara nemutuku ni force of credit.
who forces who though
Like but bani semelo uri why this
mara ene hafosiwi ola
like if me DC like
Eh, zvifi DC ndazvine kusama zvamapurisa.
like
Zvaona.
when someone I going to buy need then so now there's a bigger person especially if you want recognition and like why you miss on mumwara mune one two.
Like it was once a big thing on TikTok.
is it like okay una ti ula ufuita traditional food una zvithu zvaspecific zvine utozvijia kaye exactly
I think there was maybe a meal or something.
It could probably be
mara
2
naye
meals.
angotori odzura azvumbura ozviwana gai nayo noyo
Obviously.
So yeah, we could have something like that. Or maybe there was a specific meal that she.
I'm gonna the strepsils this other day. Muna wana flu. Zvino langa za strepsils ngamugayo. No, like guys, archo defenders we know we know South Africa reafuno
Just have like that thing you read. Credit everything. Like character and those
zvifanana nenene zvemuri richitomoita dzivlog kuti yaro credita KMs
Hey, cash.
uri oitani wari kamera ndiyanga na content ndiyanga
uri ndenozvitomawo
nendisongoremswa tho
getting recognition. Jamais comme notre become where and koni so no recognition.
Mara-
Okay, and koni if you have like nani nishko ura, you bafuna to more creditor mutwaitao. Okay, creditor into it. Especially if you are bigger than the person who first created the video. So you didn't go compete.
nelazovuko
uri nimugonyisi uri naye agonya but it's not my fault
Mara why ini like yeah.
hey mara it's fault yangu it's responsibility yangu upira naini ani fame yanoyo zvandani zvanga
azakoma
noita chepisi ndavona isangobva zvoenderera ndidoboro ndaita
Ndiite zvavudi ne.
so
which is every company
which
though
is everything bro
everything company nabona inofeda somewhere kela Pedros yera kamba ngai
Eh.
yabona something cha bad kana
China-
knows which is price
affordability
Vata vari-
Vava modify that so sifelani guys but komari chenara
guys chanozvidina rine man
zvezvi when she's on it aritere navanhu navabeta with 90% of loyalty there and there
and then
aritere
is it a thing for you girls ne to not want guys which are tens
tense like
our teenager about 10 a 10
a 10 like good looks
I saw it on TikTok where this
Uri
guy
ariko
this other guy was
kumuntu
asking her like why would you date someone who's a 10 he was like nah she was like nah why I mean, he's just too cute everyone's gonna look at him and this other one was like now we're gonna be fighting for a mirror in the morning all those stupid reasons
I don't know ne for me
looks
yes
a thing for
look,
you.
looks yeah they do matter
what looks 10 or 8 or 7
when I'm in love with you you're always a 10 that's
Okay,
the thing
goosebumps
you
looks.
might not be
Goosebumps looks
She's not into a
I'm not into him.
No, I'm just, it goes by as 10 or a 7 or a
No, I don't even look at him like that.
Tambe.
I think Tambe is a 10.
So why do you look at him like that?
Because he's my friend, Chirana. He's
Man,
right
no,
here. He's right here. I know.
Goosebumps right
I
here
know
also.
how clean he is. I know Urwafuna Utamba. I know he works out. I know he's right here.
Jambo ya
Goosebumps
Samutamba ni
hapa.
Goosebumps.
Ndimupe 10 ya music ya sound. Yes, I'll give him a 10.
Okay.
But you
Mara, you feel like it's a thing that thing you're of magazine.
I know women do that, and I think I know the reason why. Because usually
Please
men,
give us the, because
usually men that are 10, they are very cocky.
Uko winner never 7, as the 5.
Number 2. Mara, what I'm saying is usually vakoki man zviyatonga izvo zvitukana zvopenya zvadzikati zviva zvisoko vafani zvikunyangozokopenyerera zvikunyangozokuisa zvimwevo I don't know. They just love being, and they even change the way they move. And ndiyavala vatukana vojiya video kuita so ndingaita ndichijera kaInstagram ndaona munhu angoita so. And I'm like, okay, so what do I do when I go in?
Okay, give me industry terms zinenge ngasizi date.
Tumisiko.
Oh yeah, there's less.
Ile genge. There's Tumi.
Papriko. Is he a 10?
Papi is a 10.
Would you date him?
Nah, what the phone is Papi naye.
Zamone doctor.
I don't think Chaita is real. Macha tifuna.
Podcasting go fi afi.
Nyachibona msichipoza cause never. Munna songo kono poza. Munna katojumiwa.
Okay, Fistos
adifuna ezvingelandira haiti no yambona Fistos.
Angatoba said so Mara is there like
Mara afuni uba camera. You guys don't understand. You guys don't understand.
From here.
You guys don't understand what Fistos washona. That's why he's literally Fistos is never straight up like this. Nibone kanjina msachezi live. Udozama uba upanga bathu because on his own Fistos washona job the wood. Fistos as extrovert. He's not outside. Ukutobviswa nga music. So lo zvinya kuita ndoto za monitiva tivabe weni bono ngari kamzukotonga hakotonga washona period. So Papi is, yes, Papi hashoni is outside, yes. Wapoza. Muna uto jumi, uto lo zvinya pechone na faza dizo akozura kana akotakwana. Auto gaviwa. Asongoto imaida so. Pull your camera down.
Chifini makato ichi chanu.
Hey, makato is a 10. Hey.
Animtodi.
Ndisa konuita really. Ena chikona. Makato knows how to make reels, guys. Hey, you're the stress and Shomur Richie Band into Mufoda. Ndina problem eyo ndiko ndio Mufoda.
Utata mvela vote. I can't vote.
Akirura abuya rahumerova. Ardo valid. Argavi.
Little deuba ninga dita tumi.
Right, get ready with me. Ratomanga buruku. Right, a cat a keep. No veranda. So he is a 10. And then I think that is why I don't think Bakwamba 10 year just looks. Bakwamba 10 year
you're doing it.
Like your influencers, because sometimes if you as a girl it becomes a bit overwhelming for you. You can have a relationship with Dr. Musana Lizelle. I don't know how that girl feels about that. I don't know. Maybe in Gorina. I think they come because she is not too. Imagine if Naomi was the vlog. I think the guy is more. Yeah, so she thought that I pass. That's why I think I do better with like nerds. Because I can't be outside in your house and I can't be social in your social. Oof.
Is your dude a nerd?
I don't have a dude.
I'm just asking, did you diva? And what about your diva? Because you've introduced the thing. You're a public figure.
Oh, I know. Yeah, and Ned.
Okay. Oh, so which one?
Oh,
you see the
I think so.
Oh, okay.
Because I own that.
I mean, there's a new hotel in
Premier.
last episode. How is it? What do you think of it? If no.
I think it's nice. Itobori chipinga. Damn, just one more. I think it's nice. Itobori you overhype you. Nandi chip for the premiere. Inabu
reza univen.
Napulo is zila zono tingwa ngazviduro. That's weird.
Yeah, it's giving warm bath.
I know,
Not that.
They were expecting a bit more, like, okay, now it's modern, so maybe I'm jumping more. Less of doing things, but then whenever I think that's a culture.
Yeah, hoderani.
Yeah, task.
Umbra Venda san.
Yeah, task.
Venda san.
Yeah, Venda san.
Like, yeah, something.
Out of this world. By the way, manini. That's fine.
I guess, but yeah. Don't forget the food is very affordable. The one I TikTok.
She said so.
Sorry, the most expensive meal is $265. So I was like, that's good.
Somebody Pedros in Ayangi. That's where I cater now.
Yeah, those are catering. That one na watu wa marashindori. Wako seva.
Okay, 50 million to charity kana 1 million to yourself.
Ufemini?
I know that was random. 50 million to yourself or 1 million. 50 million to charity or 1 million to yourself. Let's make them in dollars.
1 million to myself, man. I took over selfish, Marevan. But I never got the Jonas going over the food.
I don't know some more. Okay, man, that's what I thought. I was like, I could give you guys 50 million.
Man, don't pan.
And I can't treasure organizing that. I'm paying 2 at least, kind of 10.
Hey, come and pay 48 young.
They're just giving the 50 million.
Come and pay 48 young.
I want to pay 1.
I was one of and then the charity.
Wangampa 1, iti? That's business and we under the Panga Stuku. Late.
How much Shumikabo? The winner America, they can.
The competition.
So winner. Also, speaking of it, remember we spoke about Ndonya Gore, Marshall Baba, exclusive Baba.
Oh, yeah, the cut.
Those
Those guys, one good day, I mean. Then the girl I'm shy up.
The bona size of them shy. They have a nyai.
Dangerous.
Get one of a nyai, but the girls to go.
Like, those guys, see, exclusive Baba. No one. What is my Legends Baba Tower? What is Shabati?
So Shabati show. Ring up with some one.
In Yambanu, wait a minute.
Come ring up with some Wayo.
Ding. And Yabo.
I think it's Oris. I think it is Oris.
Orindi. Come doing a thing what ended the cap. Night time.
Chidofara. And
you do it live, eh? National go saying.
And then that's
last year
the
was saying,
and then did you phone and this on color speaker? She ambassadors in it. Choya gon listen about did the visa, did you know Wuzori or live?
Somebody tell me safe in. So Kuma. It was ever safe from one. You need to far volunteer to my
advocate. What was receive? What was safe? It could ring a mara kufara. Come say there.
It ringing over snap.
Oh boy.
And the snap was if I could there studio. Kuna studio. Tino zambo. Urula uruvana baba yayani.
Say your mind, you guys.
I think maybe over a better offer. I think that's what happened because the offer is not good.
Mara, here's the thing also.
And the thing is, he was a very good customer at Legends. They all about to get every Friday and every minute. Like he was there every week.
Can't go every Friday. There's almost into the every 2 weeks. Mara.
To be a 10.
Okay. Makes sense.
Nana choice you every week because after a week, so I don't need to go to 10. Need you need to every week.
Yeah.
You need to
yeah, now it's like sometimes that's fine. I'm going to shoot a podcast in a WhatsApp.
And then I ended 3 so
I think I was only 3. No,
that's a Mariwan Ditanga. But
no, net was net Tiagushimisiwa into like Essie when we're Dwalimunan Vagina. I will offer you Elatiko need Panera Ban 9. Mean. Then the business business body, my father, one of the
I know, man. You're tired.
Okay, let's do this before we close.
So,
that's only what did first. Yeah, because we have to say this. So I saw this other video, TikTok obviously. What's the one thing that a man did that made you realize we were not going far? First one, this guy paid cash on delivery for an order less than 100 rand on Uber Eats.
He paid cash on delivery. Somebody asked na cash, asked na 100 rand.
No, over na cash. I should ask you go a card.
Huh?
For a 50 rand meal.
Yeah, say me.
What ya ushumza card?
Like use a
What ya
card.
we order nga card instead of. What if card you is kushum?
Hey, I did. Mara, this girl was like, I'm never going back there.
Okay, another one.
I bought an apartment. Everyone congratulated me, but him. I asked him about it. What you? Ungezi impumelelo yako umthwalo wethu.
Yo. Yo, damn.
I'm like, hey, what is this other? Again. Oh, he told me to accompany him to Zara because there's a suit he wanted. Got there, he took the suit. Pants was 2.7. The blazer was 1.7. He looks at me and goes, "Can I take it?" So she was supposed
supposed to
She was
pay.
supposed to pay. What's the take on guys like that? You feel like
Being a fenta. Mara wine kungiza petu inimune. Hey, let's talk about it before.
somebody with the capability of munna wow.
Apparently, apart
mthatsi
from
wawo.
talk about it, tiko dibona ndiko visa 5,000.
And he chose the place also. Like, it should be my preference if I'm buying it for you.
Like, that's my other thing, right? And then I need, Niko Jola Namkon. We are friends. We go. You are like, you're taking me out. When we get to a restaurant, tine ngoroko badela ini, nitioni famumburo ur how is your balance looking? Dido fa arani ini nari chicken paella, then I know uroki shashungo tsura shapone.
Yeah.
Now go lower or take the exact same one. I can go higher.
No, like chicken paella. No, what example ngayo?
Nito ifood.
Hey, magi yiko the chicken magi yono ngwe there. Magi ya. Oh, no, yeah.
So I don't understand mutu ane which go shuma chere dianga at your doctor when on a decision and as well can I take it? Oh no, ngangori Ronos Kamolon. What do you mean can I take it? Ronos Kamolon.
No, you said, please, like.
I know your capabilities. That's my girl.
You know my capabilities as my. That's the thing. You guys don't know. I need the VG to. I am sure they have umarin. Ringalana ni acharna 5,000 of madam.
Kabodi.
Guy, Chico
I watching us relation.
China ingwa banga ni. Dinazo china banga discovery shit. Okay.
Aje duri say chingari baby na discovery. Rekodia nga banga kruani zi. Chiga baby no vara keep check. He come bora. Rana black at busy. Yeah, so and then I was busy buying a few things at Checkers and the total amount was 197.90. So let's just say 200. I saw my guy pull out his wallet, so I thought he was going to
pay.
Umuntu pulls out, or he was going to pay. Umuntu pulls out an extra savings. So baby kaka dienge. Yeah, so come. Hima, you got the point, too. So okay, guy.
Ajibu yoko biya da ringanga zopo.
When you are reject,
and then Maroke ya 1 minute wa badela umsazi. Ndio nonenda shaina one up. None 1 minute then shaina kwa the parking ticket.
On our way back home with his parents, his elders asked, "When are you marrying her?" His response was, "Angina ye imali yoku ganga mina. Uganga ndita mina."
Tamba. Ndio umala.
Okay, that makes sense.
So
I visited him for a sleepover and he served me pap with 2 pieces of fried bologna. Yet he's always wearing expensive branded clothes.
Expensive ngako relay.
How comes from Fabiana? Fabiana been
No, your mother on the account, your joint account.
Back to Counterfeit.
Hey, I took a flex. Yo. And then Sadlula eduze kwe jewelry shop. Wahleka wathi, "Hey, we sonina ngo ukuza hayi zombalezini." Azomba arpireno.
Aripiri, idorisa batho.
I once asked him to buy me grapes from Venda shop. He saw a bottle store and he said, "Let me get something to drink." Ebana, kiri kitsia coke. Did this guy not say no? Don't forget you bought grapes. Hey, why you going to be? Why you going to be? And the grapes na ko drink. Choose any struggle. And then
And
I visited him for a sleepover and he saved me pap. He kept making references that he will get a job first. He will leave me jokingly. A month later, I got a job first and then I left him the same day. That was the last thing a woman did on this trend. Yeah,
the one thing and you felt like this is not going anywhere.
I think I don't think I pause pro. To decide already. Hey, Mara, you got to bet on a date. Mara pause pro.
Would you take a Bible as a gift?
Yeah.
As a birthday gift?
Not a birthday gift. No. I think that's Zifa. Not as a birthday gift.
Why? You don't think God is that deep?
I have a Bible. Why buy me?
No, let's say you don't have a Bible.
The Shimsa phone. Come on, with you. There's Google for a reason. Bible app. When I Venda, 1936, the original version. Guys, I'm not gonna take a Bible for a thing.
Why not, guys? We are phone Neka great and you are. Neka great and wana bibiri. And I loved it.
Oh, you spoke about it this other time.
Yes, it's the one that I use now.
At least
a cover. No, it has a cover and whatever. Like a leather thingy. It's really nice.
I would take a Bible as a gift, but not your birthday. Oh, Mateki. iPhone, AirPods Pro. AirPods Pro to AirPods Pro. Now, at least make a budget 7,000. No, cash. No, I'm trying to find.
I am the price.
So, guys, I think we should end here today, and then
I am his gift.
Oh, and then next week we might have another co-host because I'll be in Venda, and yeah, Shara, I'm gonna miss you.
And another say a joke with the way when he's repeated, but.
So yeah, guys, let's see each other next week. Na mini mara offer is gonna come back. Akwa kwetu. Ndi watu wa Josie abati aba Venda. So rani rewa na mtu wantu. Rwani wasongo kolwao. So yeah, anyone wanna say? Zaruvara. Ginyas post
lady.
Konas.
Zoom meeting. So Wafa will be here, you will be that side.
Sino zezo. Zezo za podcast ya Zoom. Hapo ndio mbona huyu mata wako zipo huyu. So yeah, guys, I think that's it. Let's road to 10,000. Roshka 9,000 unknowingly. So I'm naka 11 ringa swika. Marasto menga 10.
Naka 20.
Rather 10
Then we know.
Let's make a gig. Gig kutuku. Kato mama 100.
Balcony mix.
Yeah, a mini balcony mix.
Hey. Why?
Let me see. Manager go for the so yeah, maginyanda wani one ntuna tite celebrate 10K mpo the bawo ne mkono the bawo you guys come see the people on the background na paragon do
ndo wani go diboni session.
Yeah, so cheers guys, naruto. Bye, subscribe there. Maginya.
Like, share.
Come roya. Kwa Venda.
Mtu yeye.
Ndatumanda vara meki.
Njebo uteweli wanga uchina.
Buchina ko.
Nyanza ni mara acha dina.
Oh, shabe no fira.